Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to use AirPlay because HomePod Mini does not act as a generic Bluetooth speaker. First, update the HomePod and your Apple device and make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, swipe into Control Center on iPhone or click the AirPlay icon on a Mac. Select your HomePod Mini from the list. This routes audio over Wi-Fi, which preserves quality and keeps playback stable. Now send the audio. On iPhone or iPad, tap the AirPlay icon in Control Center or in the app you're using and pick the HomePod Mini. On Mac, choose the output in the menu bar or Music app. If your source is non-Apple like Android or Windows, route that audio into an Apple device first. For example, play on iPhone via a local file or app, then AirPlay it. This intermediary step is the only viable way to get Finish by confirming the HomePod Mini appears as an AirPlay target and select it. Playback should move instantly. If you notice lag or dropouts, pause playback, switch outputs back to the device, then reselect the HomePod. Often that clears buffering. If the HomePod never appears, reboot both devices, check they are on the same Wi-Fi, and make sure AirPlay in the Home app isn't restricted. Reset the HomePod only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.